Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete all of your photos from Google Photos in a fast and easy way using a simple laptop. Now, deleting everything at once on a phone isn't very practical. You can only delete photos month by month, and it takes a lot of time. But on a laptop, it's much quicker. So here's what I did. I opened up my laptop and went to Photos, Google, then signed into my Google account. Once I was signed in, I went into the Photos tab, where all my pictures are stored. I clicked on the first photo at the top to select it. Then I held the Shift key on my keyboard and scrolled all the way down to the bottom of the page. Once I reached the last photo, I clicked on it while still holding Shift, and just like that, all the photos were selected at once. Then I clicked the bin/trash icon at the top. A message popped up asking me to confirm. I clicked Got it, and all my selected photos were moved to the trash. And that's how you can delete all photos from Google Photos in one go using your laptop. Super simple. If this helped, make sure to like and subscribe for more useful tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.